We had our tour at the Brinkley factory today. Now we are at Fiddler's Pond, which is right down the road from Elkhart Fairgrounds. We're taking the boys for a walk. This beautiful trail goes all the way around the pond, and I believe it's 1.6 miles. So it goes all the way around. Nice trail. Does smell kind of fishy though. So Rocky, what did you think of the tour today?
Really, really impressed.
We were impressed with, oh my gosh, Brendan answered all of our questions. There were other people there to tour as well. Another couple that bought a G just like we did, they're from Canada, and a few other couples. Is there anything that you're nervous about, that you didn't feel good about or aren't sure about?
No, they had the head guy for quality control there, and we talked about a lot of stuff, and I was really impressed.
You were talking to him about structure and the welding and the gussets and that kind of stuff.
He was a fabricator for a while, and so was I.
Yep, you betcha. So you got your questions answered, and you were happy with what he said.
Yeah, and there's just so much quality there, and then they went the extra mile. Two-thirds of the camper is built for a woman. You know, the living room and the bedroom.
And the functionality, right,
yeah,
on the inside.
And then the guy's part is the garage and the basement. You know? And I was really thrilled with the way they did the electric cord, the hose, I mean, all of that stuff. And I love the slide out drawers, and they got all kinds of space for storage.
So you'll be a lot more organized, I'm assuming. Now you'll be able to find your tools easier and get easier access to the things you need.
I don't have to move everything to get
to it, which that'll be a treat. I asked him quality control questions, and he gave me his card. So I was asking basically about procedures. So I wanted to know if customer service has an issue, that there will be some sort of corrective action as a result of an issue, that it gets around the plant and everyone knows, and that they do things differently to prevent that issue from happening again. And he assured me that yes, they already have procedures in place. They have meetings and include everyone in the plant along with customer service. So that was very reassuring and nice to hear. They are not moving fast. So for example, a G toy hauler like we ordered takes about 3 weeks from start to finish. And we kept telling them, take your time. If it's done right, we're okay with that amount of time. So I will be posting a picture probably along with this video of us standing by our rig. It is was it number 2 or 3? Was it the third in or the second one in?
Third one in.
Third one in. So there's one a day that's finished. So ours should be finished, barring any complications, by next Tuesday. And then of course it has to go through PDI, which is pre-delivery inspection at the plant. And it has to be transported, and then the dealer has to do PDI as well. So it's going to be 2 to 3 weeks yet before we see the rig.
All right.
But we're very, very excited. No. Thank you. Glacier's not a good boy around other dogs. But anyway, so it'll be 2 to 3 weeks yet before we see our rig. But it has been officially dubbed 007 by everybody. Talked to a worker that was there, and we thanked him for all of his hard work and for making such a great quality product. And he seemed to really appreciate that. So if you guys have any questions at all for us, we can't show you video or pictures of inside the plant. That's, you know, for obvious reasons. But let me just say that it was something that you're going to want to go and do. Absolutely. And while you're here, if you want to visit any of the RV manufacturers, you can make arrangements to tour those facilities as well. But I think you're going to see a huge difference between them and Brinkley. And their plants are not all finished yet. They are actually leasing the one that they're making the G in right now. They have 350 acres that they're working with, and they're planning on putting up, I think, 3 or 4 more plants yet. The G plant is behind the main building, and that's framed out, but they have a lot of work to do in there yet. So they're building the G's in a leased building. It's a little tight in there, but they're certainly making it work, that's for sure. So make your arrangements, go have a tour. Most likely Brendan will be the one that gives you the tour. They do them at 1 o'clock, but you have to make reservations, you know, talk to them first before, don't just show up. So you won't be sorry, trust me. And if you stay at Elkhart County Fairgrounds, it's $35 a night, full hookups. The sites are a little bit narrow as far as where the gravel is. It's 8 feet, no more, no less, 8 feet. And it's a little bit unlevel, but if you've got your blocks and stuff, you'll be fine. And it's a great place to walk your dogs if there's nobody around. There's acres and acres to walk around. And of course you could come to Fiddler's Pond and walk around the pond. So I'm Lori, and this is Rocky.
All right.
And we are While You Still Can. And we want you guys to get out there and do things while you still can.
Hi guys, I'm already just laying in bed. I got my leg elevated because I'm still having blood clot issues. Anyway, one of the things we forgot to mention in the Brinkley video is that this company cares so much about their employees that they are not only heating the factory, but they're also air conditioning it in the summertime for their comfort. That speaks volumes. There is no other RV manufacturer that does that. So they're taking good care of their employees, it seems. So definitely, if you get a chance, check them out. Even jump on their Facebook page, their regular Facebook page, and just listen to the chatter that's on there. It's pretty interesting. So I hope you guys are all having a great day, and we'll talk soon. We are While You Still Can.